Hi, it's Raj. This is the unboxing and quick look of the Amazon Basics portable digital tire inflator. So let's begin.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
As always, the Amazon Basics products are well packed. I bought this for Rs 2800 with a bank offer. So let's take it out. The box contents are a user guide, 2 safety pamphlets. Then we have the inflator in a carrying case. Now let's take a closer look at the inflator. It has got a 3-meter power cord and a 0.7-meter air hose. The gauge is digital. Then we have an LED light. The inflator stands on rubber bushes. Also, you will find a plastic pouch under the inflator with an extra fuse for the cigar lighter plug. Also a ball and a balloon adapter for the air hose. Next, let's see the inflator in action. As per the manual, you should allow the compressor to cool for 10 minutes after 10 minutes of continuous usage. So, to begin, turn on the car engine, connect the 12-volt power adapter to the car outlet properly. Now, connect the air hose to the tire. The inflator gauge will now show the current tire pressure in PSI or bar. Next, press the set button for 3 seconds to set the desired tire pressure. By default, it is 45 PSI. You can press up or down to change the value. For my car, it is 32 PSI. Once it is set, the display will return to the current pressure in 3 seconds. Now, all you need to do is turn on the compressor switch. It will start inflating the tire and will auto shut off when the set value is reached. However, you need to manually turn off the switch. The inflator also comes with a built-in LED light if you want to work in dim or dark light. Amazon offers a 1-year limited warranty for this product. So that was the unboxing and quick look of the Amazon Basics portable digital tire inflator. You can find the product link in the video description. Hope the video was useful. Peace.